submission. So it's a different packages. You can offer some or description, and you can write a different description. And the basic package it should be a minimum, and the standard it should be greater than the basic. Welcome to MNDIGITALS digital marketing channel. Hope you are all fine. Today's topic is about how to create a gig on Fiverr. So let me show you. Here's my account, and I switched to selling. When I switch to selling, it show that it's my profile, and click on the gig. When you click on the gig, you will see different gigs which is active now. As you see that I am selling my services as a YouTube video thumbnail, and do your page full eligible for ad breaks by my skills, so social media marketing and WordPress website also. So today's topic is about how to create a new gig. Here's the button of create a new gig. Click on create a new gig. After that, what topic you are choosing today to create. So I am choosing article submission to create backlinks for you. So I will do article submission for your website backlinks. So here's my title of gig. What is the category? The category of digital marketing. Okay. And SEO, you can say SEO. Yes. Services type. It's a off page. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO means when you are creating a backlinks for the website in the backend of your website, and to create backlinks to generate traffic to your website. So it's called an off-page SEO of your website. So it's search engine optimization, as you know that. Gig metadata. So it's industry expertise. You can write anything like technology and internet, education, e-commerce, health, media and entertainment, sports. So in research tag you can write digital marketing, you can write SEO marketing, SEO optimization, SEO services, article submission, article IT writer, article. So it's you can write 5 different tags in your gig. So okay, so after that you should have to press on save and continue. After save and continue, you will see the price types. Service types, off-page SEO, chain, basic, standard, premium. You can write your package name. For example, I can write your package I can write your package name as a basic name, standard, premium. You can write anything you want, but you named as your different types which you offer. So in this basic title, I will provide you will write down the description of your gig. In the basic package I will provide 20 article submission for your website. I will provide 35 article submission. So it's a different packages. You can offer some or description, and you can write a different description. And the basic package it should be a minimum, and the standard it should be greater than the basic. And in the premium you can give your maximum reach which you are doing. So in the premium package I will provide 50 article submission for your website backlinks. And also write article for you. So in the premium package I am providing that I will write 50 article submission for your website backlink, and also write articles for you. Okay, so the delivery time you go in the basic package you should have a minimum delivery time. The basic like 3 days. Standard is in I think so 5 days, and the premium package having 9 days. Okay, off-page strategy. Okay, standard backlinks analysis. In the basic package you are giving 3 days. The standard off-page strategy. So there are just some services you can provide. Okay, for forum marketing, please skip this. Competitor backlink analysis. In this standard and premium I will providing this. So price should be minimum 5. Fiverr means is 5, so you should start from $5. And in the standard package you should give 10, and in the premium package you should give 30, because I'm providing articles also, and I am providing 50 article submissions also. Okay, so next, add extra services. Increase your revenue by offering demand or additional costs. If you want an additional cost, if you want to do extra fast delivery and extra off-page strategy and additional forums and competitive backlinks, so there should be an extra price for the buyer. So if you want to take add services, you should add and basic, standard, premium, deliver on select on 1 day, 2 day. If you are providing some basic services in 3 days, then you should have to provide basic services in 1 day. So the price should be larger, and price should be increased. So that's why the extra services should be charged. So after that you should have save and continue. Okay, now I am describing this cake. As I mentioned earlier, I am providing you articles and article submission for your website backlinks. In this way you can generate traffic on your website and will increase revenue. So you can describe your gig anything you want in the bullet points, also in the marker and the bullet and in the bold way also. So it would help to write through nicely in the bullet points also, which will attract the buyer. Okay, like bullet points, you can write this: increase revenue, increase traffic, increase brand promotion. So there are a lot of points should be done through this article submission. Your website also should be promoted, but the other factors are increased revenue. Hopefully in this article submission that the people visiting your site and generate your sales. So it's very helpful, and this people who are visiting your site and create account on your website, people visiting your site and read a blog. So it should be very important for you to do article submission. In this way you can impress your buyer. Okay, brand promotion, providing useful information regarding your anything regarding your blog. If you are writing the article, it's a 500 or 800 words article, so it's a long article, and it should be informative for the buyer or for the anyone who are just reading this article or blog. So I think so the description you can write anything further. I am providing this article submission to IDA and IDM website, which beneficial for you. Okay, so I'm writing and providing full description on this. After that, frequently asked question, you can add anything, any question you require ask frequently, you will write here and then save and continue. Number one requirement, the website link. Site, because you are providing article submission and you are writing the client's website URL down to create to generate backlinks, to create traffic on their website. So you should have a website link from your client. Okay, website link and article if they write. Okay. Can I add this? And you can also give the answers of your questions, like I have a website named as, should upload a file. Okay, save changes. To comply this with Fiverr terms and services, make sure to upload only content you either on or if you have permission to license to use. Okay, you can add here photos, any photo if you have. I don't have any photo here, but we will find out. Like I have 550 and 370 page old photo. Okay. I have this photo, so I use this for primary basis. You can add also PDF, so then save and continue.